Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off the cell info display on the Nokia 105. As you can see here, I currently have GIF-GAF. So if you want to hide that, what you can do is you can come over to the menu and come all the way down to settings, and you can go display settings, the second one in the menu here, and you can see cell info display. It's currently on, so we can tap into that and we can come down to turn it off. You can select it again, so that'll confirm it, and when we come back out, as you can see now that has now disappeared. You can go back into the settings to turn it back on if you wish. So that is how to turn off or on cell information display. As you can see, it's back. I hope that video was helpful. If it was, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.